Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox. Now, in order to enable your voice chat in Roblox, you need to have your email or either your phone number verified. So let's head to settings. Click on the gear icon on the upper right corner, then click on settings. Now from here, you'll be able to see that the email address is pending verification. Now here you can either verify or update email and make sure that your email is verified. So I'm going to click update email and make sure that my email is up to date, and then I will insert my email right over here. After inserting email, I will click on change email. And now an email verification has been sent to my email, so I'll click OK. Now you can see the verification is still pending. Now you have to check the email which you have entered in update email. Now here is the verify email button. If I click on verify email right over here, then my email will be verified. Now let's close this window, head back to settings. In settings, now you can see that my email address is verified. So now I will click on privacy and content restrictions. From here I will click on communication, and then you'll be able to see that I have a voice chat option over here. Now click on voice chat. Make sure that enable microphone option is turned on. So if this is turned off, click on this option and then click on enable, and your voice chat option will be enabled. However, this voice chat option may not pop up sometimes if your age is not verified. In that case, what you need to do is click on verify my age right over here, and then you'll need to upload some kind of ID according to your country, and then after age verification is complete, you'll be able to turn on the voice chat option. Of course, you'll need to be above 13 years old for that. So now let's head to Roblox. Now as you can see in Roblox, I now have an option to mute and unmute myself. If I click here, I am unmuted, and if I click here again, then I will be muted. So guys, that's how you can enable voice chat in Roblox. If you find this video helpful guys, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.